Welcome back, people, to the QGIS course. Professor Piyush here. So in previous few videos, we learned about the interface of the QGIS, how to navigate in the map canvas of the QGIS. We learned how to add layers and all those things. So today I'm going to start a new and very important element of QGIS, which is symbology. So you must see here with different colors, different lines, different colors of lines, right, which showing the node network, different colors showing the rivers. That's how you understand a map. That's how you understand a data in GIS. And the symbology is basically visual appearance of the layers on the map, be it rivers, waters, any building elements, anything. So it's like a basic strength of GIS by which you understand the spatial aspects of a map. It is like a dynamic and visual representation of the data which you're working with. Therefore, the visual appearance of the map, which is dependent on the symbology of individual layers, is very important. It helps in to easily see what actually the map is representing, and parallelly it also helps to explore the data as you're working with it. And if your symbology is good, these things will happen very easily. So let's explore what are the different elements of symbology. So first I will show you how to change colors, which is a very common element of symbology, right? Different colors represent different elements of a map. Let's say here you can see this a purple color, which is representing the land use, and then roads, buildings. All layers have different colors. You can of course determine the colors of these layers as well. So to change colors of layers or to change the symbology of any layer, you just have to select that particular layer, let's say land use, and right click and go to the properties. That's one way to bring in. Or you can just double click that layer, then also you will get the same option. There's another shortcut and a faster way. If you go to the top here and see, there is a layer icon, a symbology icon, sorry, above the layer panel, this tab, you will see a styling panel, right? If you click this, you will see automatically the layer styling will come at the corner and set down here properly. And parallelly, you can work with your map as well. This way of changing symbologies, colors, and other things becomes very faster, right? So let's say you can easily use the scroll button to change the color of the land use here. I can either pick here to get different colors, and you can see instantly it is giving me a live update, right? So I can test different elements and can decide which one is better and then go along with it. You can also pick colors using the pick color button. If you click, you can take your dropper anywhere in the screen and can choose which colors you want the layer. Oh, let me show you what happens if I go from that method. If I open the properties dialog and do that, you can see every time I have to change the color. Let's say I make it a little reddish or brownish. If I change this, then I have to apply that and then click OK, and then I can have a full view of the map. So again and again, I have to go back and bring that element back again, double click to bring it, right? And then go to the colors again and do it. But here, this is more faster. You can see straight away when I was doing, I can straight away just see the live update of my colors. There is no changing in that. Faster, right? Good. So I usually prefer this way, going around this way. You can choose which is convenient to you. Now I would invite you all to, practice the same changing colors method. You can change the water color. Let's say either use the layer styling panel, as here you can see, or you can double click and bring the layer properties dialog, where you can, using the symbology option, you can change it. Whichever you prefer faster, try to change the colors of the water. Try to, create the symbology which gives a better representation of your map, which what actually you want to do. You can just hit apply from here. You can see there is a button here which says live update. If it's checked, automatically your colors will get updated. You can see now my water bodies are changed. If I want to make it more lighter, I can do it because the live update is checked. So play with it, guys. Try to, change the orientation and the color representation of the different layers here. Try to find out what is the best way to show the roads, right? You can select that layer and automatically in the styling panel, Let's say I want a little grayish or black to understand better. It depends what actually you're going to read it through map, so you can choose that kind of thing. That helps, right? So practice this, guys. So in the next video, we will go ahead and understand other elements of symbology. This was color, other elements like boundaries, boundary representation, symbol structures, right? Do we need boundary in a certain areas to show? If we need to show, then different ways of showing the boundaries are there, which can represent different data of the map. So we will see how can we do that, like this land use boundary or boundary of your schools or restaurants. So there must be different way to represent a boundary of a water body. So we'll learn how to change those kind of symbology and give our map a more depth and detail. See you there, guys.